Good morning, class. Now today I would like us to talk about geometry, specifically triangles. Now there are so many different shapes and types of triangles. Mathematicians couldn't keep it simple to have circles and squares. We have several types of triangles. I wonder why? Well, it's because triangles have a broader definition. Now to have a square, you need 4 lines of the exact same length. And example, 90 degrees. But for triangles, if you manage to bring 3 lines like this, and like this, then you have a triangle. Now all these are triangles. To make it easier to understand, mathematicians decided to classify the triangles based on 2 things. 1, how long the sides are. 2, what angles within the sides are. Let us start with an example that covers both. A perfect regular shape. A triangle has all equal sides and all equal angles. You draw it like this. And we call it an equilateral triangle. 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. And if you move an angle of an equilateral triangle, they are equal and always equal to 60 degrees. Now let us talk about the rest of the triangles. Now let's talk about irregular triangles. If you look around you, you will see them everywhere. For example, in a dish full of samosas, mandazis, they are not all regular triangles. They are irregular triangles. And most objects that have triangular shapes are irregular triangles. Now let's talk about triangles based on their sides. We said we have an equilateral triangle and an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle simply means 2 sides are equal. Now this is the base and these are the legs. They are called the legs with a very good reason. Scalene is derived from a Greek word, scalenos plus scolios. This is how the triangle is drawn. A scalene triangle has all its 3 sides unequal. Due to this inequality, any side can be considered the base. Legs here are irrelevant because legs are supposed to be equal to each other. So far, we have learned about 3 types of triangles. Always remember, they are classified according to the length of their size. Let us look at the triangles based on the angles. Now we have 3 types of triangles. That is the acute angle triangle, the right angle triangle, and the obtuse angle. Now these are the 3 triangles that are based on the measure of the angle between the sides. Now let's start with this. This is a triangle that is created by an acute angle. Hence, it is called an acute triangle. An acute angle or acute angled triangle has all its 3 angles less than 90 degrees each. An obtuse angle or an obtuse angle triangle is a triangle that has one obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degrees and has 2 acute angles. The right angle triangle is a triangle that has one side which measures 90 degrees. The relationship between the angles and the sides of the triangle are the basis of trigonometry. Thank you, class. See you next time.